Thinking of setting up or growing your business in the UK? You'll need more than just the basics in place. You'll need a partner who knows how to make expansion efficient, compliant, and scalable. That's where Goodwill comes in. We help international businesses enter, grow, and scale in the UK with confidence by providing the people, processes, and platforms to make operations smooth from day one. So, what makes us different? We use the latest tools and platforms to deliver efficient, tech-driven solutions that simplify your operations. From HR to finance, we build smart processes that scale with your business. Our team is personable, hands-on, and proactive. Whether it's our in-house specialists or our extended network of partners, chambers, and advisors, we provide the support you need to navigate the UK market. Our people hold leading UK qualifications, including ACA, CIMA, CIPD, and ICSA, and we're authorised to act as a company service provider with HMRC. You'll be working with experts who understand compliance inside and out. We've supported thousands of businesses from all over the world, and our team speaks multiple languages and understands cultural nuances. From software to retail, medtech to manufacturing, we've likely helped someone like you before. Our services are designed to grow with you. We offer flexible, transparent support across go-to-market, governance, finance, tax, HR, payroll, and virtual offices all under one roof. Fewer suppliers, fewer headaches, and a leaner setup built around your business. Goodwill has helped companies from around the world to succeed in the UK. If you're looking for a trusted partner to support your journey, then get in touch to find out more.